Hey there, do-it-yourself technicians. Today I want to talk to you about Google Photos, and specifically a question a viewer had about how to download multiple photos. I'm a fan of Google Photos. In fact, 2 years ago, way back in episode 27, I answered Maggie's question about getting files off her phone by suggesting she use Google Photos, and there's a link up here. It's a great free way of storing and backing up your photos. Unless of course you've got billions of photos, then it might cost you just a little bit. Google Photos also has a bunch of great ways of helping you to find your photos. They have search, obviously, because it's Google, but they also have a whole bunch of built-in albums, like this one for example called Cats, which includes a whole bunch of photos that I've taken of our cat Comet, but also some memes and even a photo of the kitty litter that we buy because it's got a picture of a cat on it. Google Photos is great, but sometimes you actually want to download the photos from Google to have them on your computer. Maybe you want to turn them into an album, or make a collage and print it onto a coffee mug. Who knows? This was Kat's issue. Kat messaged me the other day because she wanted to download some photos from her Google Photos. She knew she could download them one at a time by clicking on the photo that she wanted, then clicking the 3 dots menu and clicking download, which will cause that image to download to your downloads folder. And that works great. But it's not much good if you want to do 5 or 10 or more. What you can do is actually select multiples. It's not necessarily terribly obvious, but what you do is when you hover over a photo, you get the option to tick it up in the top corner. So you can select as many photos as you want, or you can select an entire day or an entire album, depending on what view that you're in at the time. I'm just going to download these 2 photos as an example. They're both selected. It says up the top that I have 2 photos selected. Do the same 3-dot menu, click download. It actually zips those 2 photos into a zip file and then downloads them for me. So they are now in my downloads folder. I can open them up and there they are. I can then extract them and do whatever it is that I need to do. I hope that helps, Kath, and I hope that helps lots of other people as well. Question of the day. Do you use Google Photos? Let me know in the comments down below. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. The Tech Doctor exists to help you become your own technician. Learn about the technology, protect yourself from the bad guys, and fix it if it breaks. There's some older episodes you may not have seen before, here and here. And if you click the logo down here, you can subscribe and then press the bell icon to be notified of any new episodes as they come out. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you on the next episode.